All right, this is very important. This video is very important. So listen closely. Every function is a relationship, but not every relationship is a function. Okay? What's the distinguishing factor between a function and a relationship? Um, a, a relationship is only a function if it assigns exactly one output to each input. Exactly one. No more than one, right? So it's sort of like when you go to the grocery store and you buy a loaf of bread, you scan it, it rings up a price, right? Now, if the guy behind you is also buying the same loaf of bread, same brand, same size, everything, you would expect it to give, when he scans his loaf of bread, you would expect it to give him, bring it up at the same price, right? If the input is the barcode on the loaf of bread, the cash register acts like a function, and it always gives you the exactly one price for that loaf of bread. Okay, you would expect it to give you the same price if you ring it up twice, right? Um, so that's the key thing about a function is that you only get one output for every input. So let's take a look at example 6. Here we're given a table that shows lift prices at a certain ski resort, and the prices are given by age, right? So, we got a certain price for under 6, and then for kids 7 to 12, we have a different price, 13 to 69. Okay, you got another price over 70, if you get in free. If you're still skiing when you're 70, then hey, more power to you, right? So, all right. So the question is A a function of P? Okay, so what is that asking? All right. Is A a function of P? So we would write A as a function of P if I say A equals F of P, right? Right? Is that true? Is A a function of P? So if I give you price, a price would be the input. Can you tell me the age of the person who paid that price? That's what you need to ask yourself. If you're given P, can I tell you one and only one value for A? So if you look at the data as it's given in this table, if I told you that Sam paid $100 to get in for his lift ticket, all right, could you tell me how old Sam is? Well, no, right? He's somewhere between 13 and 69, but his age could be any value between those. So for this one, no. Given a price, you cannot determine exactly one age. So, all right, let's take a look at the next one. Is P a function of A, right? So is P equal to F of A? All right, so now A is our input. A is our input, and we want to know, is this a function? So, all right, so if it's a function, then I ought to be able to give you a value for A, and you tell me exactly one P, okay? So if I give you an age, you should be able to tell me exactly one price. All right, yes, you can do that, right? You can do that. So this is a function. P is a function of A. Given an age, you can determine exactly one price, right? So if I tell you that Sam was 32, okay, then he's going to pay $100, right? If Claire is 8, well, she's going to pay $75, right? So given an age, you can determine exactly one price. So P is a function of A, but A is not a function of P. All right, I'll see you for the next video.